D-Rod Production.
What's up, y'all? B-Rock got a space guy here with y'all with another exciting video. Very exciting for me. I hope you get excited with me as well. But as some of you may know, most of you may not know, but for the past year or so, I've been building up my own clothing and accessory business. You know what I mean? So be selling a lot of stuff like the shirt that I got on right here. I sell custom art pieces, masks, jeans that I got on now that you can't really see right now, but we'll get into that. But when I first started this journey, I started getting after my research and everything, the things that I believe to be the best things for the best in-home business that you can do. So I got a heat press, the first thing. Already had 2-3 computers, so that was already scratched off the list. I got a commercial grade inkjet printer. And up until now, I didn't have nothing to help me cut these designs. Like, I be on the Photoshop, everything I design some shit, whip some real intricate shit up and be like, damn, this shit dope, but I got 20 of these shirts to make and I gotta cut them by hand. And when I say by hand, I mean with a damn X-Acto knife and a cutting board. You know what I mean? So what you see I got on now, it started off as a sheet of paper. This is something real simple. It got a nice thick outline, so all I had to do was trace around. But when I get to stuff like this on the back of this type of shirt, you know what I mean? You got to start carving out the letters, the pictures and everything. It can't be jagged. That shit was time consuming. I'm very grateful, don't get me wrong, very grateful for it. But it was time consuming, painstaking. But all that shit over now, you hear me? That shit done. We got some new equipment that's gonna eliminate all that shit. Shit gonna be more professional. We're gonna be able to do bigger orders. Everything is on go. We gonna scrape the space with this shit, you feel me? So y'all keep sticking with Under the Weather, you know what I'm saying? Ape Squad, B-Rock Fly Guy, the man himself. Smoke a dose, eat the butt. Can I get a yeah? You know? But yeah, y'all stay with me. And I'm about to show y'all what the fuck we got now that's gonna change the game. We're gonna be unveiling my new vinyl cutter. And like I said, man, when it comes to this t-shirt, apparel, and clothing business, I came from the trenches, hand cutting. You know what I mean? Even stuff like this. Like I said, I make custom stuff too. Don't this look familiar? You know what I'm saying? I paint stuff, I draw stuff, I turn it into a vector, and it's going on the shirt. But cutting that shit got dumb tedious. People coming to me with designs that got dumb tedious. It was just almost overwhelming, but now we have this. So we're gonna unbox this for y'all today that's just a little bit curious, you know. And for those of y'all that don't know anything about vinyl cutters, pretty much just the basic rundown. It's instead of me having something and I gotta cut it out by hand or whatever, it come with program. You take your image, you put it in the program. That said program will send it to the vinyl cutter. You load your paper, you load your proper needles and this and that, your blades, and then it'll cut it for you. And it's a machine, so it don't cramp up. It don't get tired, you know what I mean? It's not gonna be oh shit, you know what I'm saying? I made a mistake. It's gonna be 100 every time. So that's why I'm so excited about this. And for those of y'all that fuck with me, I hope y'all excited for me too, because this just means better stuff for you, you know? Looking at my hoodie, if I do stuff like this on the back, it's not gonna be hand drawn no more. I could just cop the vinyl, put it through the program, you know what I'm saying? This is gonna cut that bad boy for me, you know what I'm saying? So we got some good vinyl. We're gonna experiment with some good glow in the dark vinyl right now. I ain't seen too many people doing that, so we're gonna pull that out to cut. Even though my vinyl cutter is silhouette, I went ahead and copped the Cricut tools, you know what I'm saying, help you weed that stuff out, take the vinyl off, and y'all see all that type of stuff in later videos. But today we just unboxing this silhouette, you feel me? We just gonna unbox this bad boy. My savior, you know what I'm saying? and it's black. You know what I'm saying?
Can I get a yeah?
Yeah. But yeah, come on. Y'all let's unbox this bad boy. Alright, y'all, let's pull these panties down and see what the fuck going on in this coochie. Oh, well, first we can't look at all the possibilities, you dig? Look at all the possibilities, you know what I mean? Endless possibilities. About to make me some paper mache wall sconces or something. Straight up, I likes that. But yeah, man, we busting this open right here. This look like the different blades. Y'all, this the different blades that come with, you know what I'm saying? Just a little bit of information. Like I said, we just unboxing it. I'm not gonna bore y'all with the crazy details. But you know, get a little something like this in there. Oh, also too, man, shout out to Heat Press Nation, cause they be on the one with most of this shit. That's how I ordered this silhouette from. You know what I mean? They be having all the colors and whatnot. But yeah, so we get this first package out. Yep, and like I said, like we got a nice power cord. These the heads right here. You know, everything packed up nice and neat. Looking nice. Nice. You know what I'm saying? How we gonna get this bitch out without breaking it? We gonna turn that bad boy to the side first. You know what I mean? Oh shit, bro. Get myself in a bit. Ooh-wee. Silhouette Cameo number 4 is out of the gate. Alright, we're gonna put this box over chump. Alright. So y'all, as y'all can see, the packaging is quite decent, you know? Quite decent. Oh, it even come with a little mat. Now that's lit, that's clutch right there. I don't know what that's for yet, but like I said, that's for later videos, but that's clutch. One of the main reasons I purchased this one because it's Bluetooth. And a lot of the other vinyl cutters that I wanted, they was real big. The money wasn't an issue, but it was the space, you know what I'm saying? I'm still in an apartment. I ain't trying to take up too much space, but this right here was perfect. Oh, look at that, y'all. Look at that thing. Look at that thing. She looking good. I don't see no damage, you know what I'm saying? Shipping was alright. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So this gonna be the new addition to the fam. Welcome home, baby. I'm back. What it do, baby? Yeah. Okay. Alright, y'all. So from here, it's looking like we're gonna take some of the blue tape off. Scoot-doop. Oh shit. I guess I can take it all off. You wanna be gentle with your equipment, you know. The inner workings. You're gonna lift up this skirt, you see that? That's where you're gonna put all that good stuff in, you know what I'm saying? That's where the magic happened up in there. Wish I could smell this. Yeah, can I get a yeah? Let's do it. See how she opened up for us? She about to be like, Jan, 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 Jan. That's how it's about to be, man. Let's go. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Alright, y'all, so that was the unboxing of my new vinyl cutter. I can't wait for y'all to see what I produce with this. Like, I don't know, they really say like the equipment does not make a difference, but it does make a difference. It makes things easier. Like once you start to level up and shit like that, like you can't just be cutting everything by hand. Like I know, bro, like trust me, I know, sis, like I know, like, but you can't, you know. So I'm excited, man. Like as soon as I get this shit set up I can't wait to show y'all like the difference. Not to say that my cutting is trash, cause I've been perfecting that shit. Perfecting it. I ain't never, not never gave up some trash product, you know what I'm saying? But now, it's about to be no ifs, ands, or buts about it. You hear me, Sally? But yeah, I love y'all, man. I fuck with y'all. I hope everybody's safe and healthy. And yeah, stick with me through this journey, yo. So next time, I'll probably show y'all the rest of my stuff. I'll show y'all the printer. I'll show y'all the heat press. I'll show y'all how I get down on the Photoshop, like a little bit. Like maybe I'll just make a shirt with y'all or some shit like that, like from top to bottom, and we can enjoy the process together. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, again, I love y'all and I appreciate y'all. I appreciate y'all. My bad. I'm slurred. I appreciate y'all for even watching this. And yeah, I get at y'all next time, man. B-Rock Fly got a space guy, under the weather, Ape Squad. Fuck with me. Smoke it, those you eat the button one more time. Can I get a
Yeah.